What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I'm back with another video. Couple of days late, but I'm here. Your girl is here. Let's talk about how my budget went for the last week of January. Now, technically it wasn't a full week, but I wanted to count it because it was like 5 full days. So here is the income and expenses for January 26th through the 31st. If this is your type of thing, then stick around. Okay, so first off, let me just say my February budget video, I posted the wrong screenshot of my February budget. It was really, I think, my January paycheck budget. I don't know where my head was. That's what happens when you start batch recording. You get messed up when it's time to edit this stuff. So let me first share with you guys my February budget, somewhere up in here. This is really my plan for the month of February. I want to continue this momentum that we got going, and I apologize for posting the wrong numbers, but thank y'all for watching it anyway. So y'all are amazing. Okay, now let's jump back to January. Let's bring it back. January for this week, well, last week, we had some Sister Locks income. I thought it would be about $2,000. But it ended up being just over that. It ended up being $2,076. I also had some RA.com, RochelleAdamson.com income. Thank you guys. So $53.22 hit my bank account. Thank you to everyone who chooses to check out my website and place an order. And then I had a $400 buffer to work with that was leftover money in the bill account from last week. And then I thought I was going to get paid another $1,500, but it did not hit in time for January. It hit in February. So we'll deal with that in the next budget. So total for the week, income came to $2,129.22 plus that $400 buffer. And so let's talk about how we spent it. First off, $200 is going to savings challenges. I got some cash right here out the bank. So we're going to stuff some savings challenges because I actually won savings challenge, because remember y'all, I told you I'm going to finish that January savings challenge. So yes, so happy I could do that. $400 went to credit cards. I think I had to pay our 2 Apple cards and then something else small. So around about $400. Y'all, this is the part. I was able to send an extra $1,028.22 to the credit card that we've been hitting hard all month. So I will have a debt update video for you very soon. I am very excited because we made a lot of progress in a short amount of time. And I know this is like not going to be how it is all the time. You know, I don't even want to speak that negativity. I hope it's like this all the time. I hope we continue to have enough income to continue to make large debt payments, because I'm starting to see that needle move, y'all, and it feels really good. It feels really good. So 8% went to savings, that savings challenge money. 56% of this week's income went to debt, totaling $1,428.22. Next, I used, let's talk about the bill money. $258 went to buffer, because really the buffer is technically back down to 0. So I put $258. I paid deposits for house cleanings for the next few months. That came to $100. I put $31 in my Sister Locks buffer account. I put $10 to my team, and then $7 to subscriptions. So total came to $406 for bills for this week. That's 16% of our income. Next up is the spending. So spending, $200 to spending, because remember, we're keeping our bill account separate for bills and we're keeping our spending account separate. So $200 for spending on whatever we might need. Then a part of this cash, $180 to some cash envelopes, because remember, we are stuffing our sinking funds. Then $100 I gave away to someone in need. So total $480 to spending for the week, 19% of our income for the week. And then I set aside $15 to of that income from my RA business for taxes. You know what it is. So $15 total to sinking funds for the week, less than 1%. But if you add all that up, you get just over. You get exactly $21, $29, $22 plus that $400 buffer. And you can see I I'm on my Tanisha wave, you know. Tanisha, she got the highlighted when she's doing well. I think it's blue if she's doing well, like if she made exactly what she said she was going to make, or if it turned out to be more, and then it's pink if she comes under. Let me know if y'all watch our content. I don't know. I can't remember if I have it right. But that is how we're looking for the week. So my weekly summary: income minus the bills, debt, sinking funds, savings, expenses, and cash leaves me with a $0 balance. That's what I love to see. Okay, so now let's talk about the cash. Okay, so savings challenges. Y'all, I'm so excited about this savings challenge. We did some Saveopoly work this month. Well, last month. So I feel good about that. I feel like that's a really good start. And now we get to finish off this savings challenge right here, y'all. So I had already saved. Let's see how much we had already saved. This is for the monthly savings challenge. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100. So to that, we're going to add another $200. So $20, $40, $60, $80, $100, $20, $40, $60, $80, $200. I know it looked like I counted an extra 20, but I don't think I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So we have completed a savings challenge for the month. And you guys have heard me mention in some of my videos so far that I use savings challenges to save for short-term things that I know are coming up. And I use my long-term savings challenges like Saveopoly to save for things like debt payments, extra debt payments, and building our savings, our electronic savings. So I won't touch the Saveopoly money, but I'm going to go ahead and remove this money, and I'll share with you guys what I'm going to do with it. But for now, let's go ahead and shade some of the rest of this stuff in. I am so excited about this, y'all. Saving with a purpose. Saving with a purpose. This is so cute. I'm a minimalist when it comes to shading in artwork. I don't always shade in the whole thing. That's just how I roll. I don't know when I became this way, too. I don't know what's up with it. Well, let's do this green bathtub. How much did you guys save in the month of January? I'm excited to hear how you guys did. I think I want to take a picture real quick. Where's my money? Yes, honey. Because I tell you, how we started off this month, I did not think I would be able to knock out this savings challenge in time. And this is proof. You just got to do it little by little and down to the wire, y'all. When I say down to the wire, down to the wire. Not me taking pictures, girl. Taking these pictures, okay? Taking these pictures. In fact, I'm going to move it over a little bit more. I got to share it with the Savings Challenge Facebook group because I have not been on it like I used to. And that all changes starting today. Okay, I got me a nice little photo. Let's keep it pushing. So, Savings Challenge complete. Next video, we will work on February. So, focus February. Coming for you, boo, $400. To save $400 in such a short month, whoo, child, we're going to try to do it. We are going to try and do it. So, let's see. Do I want to share what I'm doing with this yet? Or do I need to record a video first? This is the crazy part. Okay, we're going to go ahead and keep moving forward. I want to put it in my vacation fund. It's our 20-year anniversary coming up next month. And we are going to do a short trip. It's already out of the 2024 budget, so it's okay. We don't have to worry about flight and hotel. That has already been taken care of. So let's just start adding to some of our other categories. We're going to add $100 to eating out. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that'll give us 140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Oh, 125, my bad. 125, I'm so excited. Also, shout out to Taylor Budgets. I saw she just had a baby. I am just like, I love babies. I love other people's babies. So I have to check and see if she has like a registry or something, a baby registry. But let me know in the comments if you all noticed her post also. So congrats to them. Okay, transport is next. I'm gonna give that, let's go ahead and do 100 for this too, y'all. We're going hard. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that will give us 120 for transport. We'll just be walking, and we're really trying to hit it hard walking because we're prepping for a marathon and a half marathon and a 10K. And so we've really been increasing our daily steps, and we'll do that in Uber. So that'll be good. So eating out and transport got some nice help. Then let's see what else. We'll put some money in tips. Airports, I'm not really worried about. Excursions. Okay, so for this, we might go to a show or something. 20, 40, 60, 80. We'll go ahead and put that there. So I'm feeling really good about that. Also, I want to go ahead and, you know what, let me put this extra money. So what happened is I did a Costco refund. I returned an item of clothing that we didn't need. And I love that Costco, they don't ask no questions, baby. They just said, return. Okay, here's your money. I love that they give it back in cash. So 20, 25, 30, $35 in tips. So I don't usually have 1s and 5s in my cash stuffings, unless I'm stuffing like Eva's envelope or something. So that is a nice boost to our vacation fund. Unexpected, but expected. Next, let's go ahead and do a wallet cash unstuffing. I always have to fight with my wallet to stay open. It does not like to have its light dimmed, okay? It does not play. Look at this. Look, it's okay, baby. It's okay. Oh my goodness. I might have to put my phone. Okay. So we still have money left over, guys. So that's why I haven't really been stuffing here. So let's see. Let me look at this. Like, we have been doing so good. Okay, so this is money left over from our January cash stuffing. So food has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, $95. So I'm going to take, let's see, that's 90. I'll just add another 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110. So I try to pay for our smaller grocery hauls in cash, but we have been doing so good, y'all. We've been doing really good. Okay, then me, I'm up next. I still have my $20. Let's see, and tips, still has some money. I want to add this $5 to it. And tips could honestly go to anyone I see in need in cash, if I just want to buy a bottle of water for someone in need or anything like that, but also for the amazing service that we might get somewhere. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. That is awesome. And then miscellaneous still has its money too. 20, 30, $40. Y'all, I've just been in the house. I've been in the house, honestly. I will get outside because I think I am off of work this weekend. So I feel really prepped and ready to be outside. Okay, now let's do our essentials. Sinking funds. Okay, now beauty is up first. It's empty. I don't think I need to add to this yet. The only thing I can think of is I might get this gel taken off. But I have my money in my wallet too. And I feel like I could get it done for like $40. So if I add 20 and then use the other 20 in my wallet, I think that'll be good. Then next up, I don't even worry about filling this in. Gifts, I'm not worried about. Let me go to the stuff I am concerned about. House and hygiene. I just want to start in the back. Baby, we got goals. Tesla is going to get some money. So 20, 40, $60 to Tesla. We are trying to build this thing up to $1,000 as quickly as possible. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 240, 260. What is that? 310? 310. Okay, so we are working our way to halfway. Okay, now we can worry about some of this other stuff. So I would like to pull out, I have a large phone bill because it's the month of February. So 2 or 3 lines are coming out. And I know, let me see how much I have. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Okay, so I'll be able to contribute $250 to the phone bill, and the rest will have to come out of our budget because I did not stuff my cash envelopes in time, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. You have to stay on it when you are cash stuffing and you are saving for expected events that are coming up. I didn't do what I needed to do in 2024. 2025, that all changes, but it's my phone bill for the year for 2 or 3 lines. So I have the rest of the year to save for it. So that's good. House and hygiene. I think I want to add to health because we have a dentist appointment coming up. So $60 there. And then house and hygiene is going to get the last 20, giving us $80 because I need to place an order for all the necessities. Okay. I feel really good about this cash stuffing. So we're going to put this in the bank and we're going to go from there. And just a shameless plug, my daughter Eva has a new stock of her Hawaiian shea butters in stock. That's why I'm always so nice and moisturized on camera. Get into it. So if you want to place your order, evashawaiianshea.com. That is all for today's video, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, you know what it is. Peace, love, and budgets.